In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make Discord not show what game you are currently playing. To deactivate your current status, first of all, go to your Discord app and just click on user settings. In this left-hand menu, scroll down and click on activity privacy. And here you will find this option, share your detected activities with others. Just disable this option. Also disable these options. And then go to registered games, and here you will find the game you are playing currently. So as you can see here, showing playing game. So to hide this activity, go to settings again click on registered games, and here just click on toggle detection. This is how we can hide our current activity on Discord. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.